In today's Berkey video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to prime Berkey Fluoride Filters with the Berkey Prime Rite. Let's get started. So you're going to need three things to prime the Berkey Fluoride Filters with the Prime Rite. You're going to need the Prime Rite, the authentic Berkey PF-2 fluoride filter, and the Fluoride Filter Prime Rite extension. So I'm going to set the fluoride filter down and I'm going to connect the extension or adapter to the Prime Rite. So the threaded portion is pointing out, and you're going to take the threaded portion of the Berkey fluoride filter and you're going to screw that in just like this. I'm going to go ahead and do it all the way. And just like the black element, you connect the Prime Rite to the end of your faucet, just like this. And also, just like the black Berkey element, you're going to run this on a low stream for about 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and get this turned on. And eventually, you're going to see at the end of the fluoride filter, the water coming out in a stream, just like that. So we're going to do this for 60 seconds to make sure our fluoride filter is primed. You're going to do this when you get them for the first time, and anytime your flow rate slows down, you do the same process. And it's just 60 seconds. So that's it. Prime your Berkey fluoride filters, both of them, with the Prime Rite, and you are good to go.